Hey guys, I want to show you how to reset your Dyson headphone from the app. You go to the settings, then scroll down, select remove product, then tap on remove product. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to ensure that the headphone are switched on. So the headphone is switched on and on charge. First, tap remove product. So tap remove product. Then the next is press and hold the button on the left ear cup and joystick button simultaneously for 5 seconds. So you need to hold this button, the left button and this button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see this is flashing white. And once you remove the product, it will show you add a device. Then it will start afresh. You find the product. So once you remove it and you find the product. So once you remove the product, you need to go back again to reconnect it. So this is how to remove the product. Once you reset it, the product will be off from the app and you can go back, reconnect it, and it will show you the nearby device on track. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.